guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. Today I am back with the October Glossybox unboxing and the box looks like this. So it is a very dark and mysterious looking box. I was expecting something to be a bit more warmer, given that it's October, something a bit more orange, brownish maybe. But this is this month's box and it actually says hidden places on the side here, so I'm assuming this is a theme. These are all the products I have received this month. As usual, we have our QR code to scan for the digital copy of the Glossy magazine, so let's scan this. As usual, we have the editor's note, the theme behind the box, and then it gives us a list of all the products and how much they are, and then it goes on to give us some tips about beauty trends, what's coming up on Fashion Week, and what we can expect for autumn. So let's read the editor's note. It states, "Hello Glossies, we're here with the 10th issue of the year and so many beauty tricks. It's October and we're bringing you glam, grunge makeup, looks and our favourite October skincare tricks for the colder season. Think mystery and think fantasy. October brings playfulness to makeup and we aim to inspire. Combine your favourite makeup looks with an added twist this season. Love, Team Glossy." And then we go on to theme behind the box and it starts with hidden places. Spark your curiosity this October with a hidden places edit. Feed your appetite with undiscovered beauty secrets with the products inside our hidden places special design box. This month we're all about experimenting with fascinating and capturing makeup looks. With brands such as Pixie and Revolution, this box has everything you need to create a fantasy this October. Find out more about the month's theme, be sure to read October story behind the story box blog. First product we have received is a Vegan by Happy full-size original essence toner. This is worth $34.99. This is a lightweight serum to oil-based toner which aims to brighten the under eye area and smooth any uneven skin. And on here it states it's got chamomile and aloe vera juice, and on the back you apply it like a normal toner. It gives you directions, so you apply to cleanse skin. You can either use your hands or a cotton pad. So I'm going to just give it a little smell. It does smell like a sweet treat, very tempting. Next we have the Be Fresh Hot Hair Girls Paradise Punch Heat Protection Shine Mist, and this is worth $8.99. So in the magazine it states that this heat protection spray helps with flyaways and boosts shine to the hair. And I'm just going to have a quick read. It says here, with botanical extract and amino acids, adds moisture and shine, keeps flyaways all bay, helps fortify hair against frequent heat styling. It's paraben-free and cruelty-free. And then how to use it says, spritz me on damp or dry hair before heat styling, ensure even coverage. Then we have the Pixie Brow Tamer, which is worth £12.90. This is a clear brow gel which dries transparent. It's supposed to set your brows into place, so after doing them you just place it on your brow. Then we have an option between two Revolution products, one being the Vanish Prime Mist and the other one being a Power Fix Mist. And I received the Vanish Prime Mist, which is worth £4.50. And it is full size. On the bottle it says this is a Pore Vanish Prime Mist, but on the back it states it's a fixing spray, so it helps make your makeup last longer. Now I've not tried this personally, so I'm not sure how good it is, but I will give it a try, and if you guys want to review then please let me know in the comments below. Then we have a mystery product and there are many options. We have received the Elikya Beauty highlighter, which is worth £12.83. This is a liquid highlighter and it is vegan friendly. It looks quite pink, so let's dupe it. Dupe it, swatch it. This is quite liquidy. I've just swatched it at the back of my hands. Okay, so you need the tiniest amount. I think I've put a bit too much on. And this is what it looks like. So it does have a beautiful pinky glow with some sparkling silver bits, and I feel like it gives you a very nice look for an everyday natural highlighter. You do need the tiniest amount and dab it onto your skin. I mean, you'll highlight in your normal section, so on high points of your cheeks, Cupid's bow, and finally we have a Nivea Soft Moisturising Cream. This is a cream, and if you've used Nivea, you'll know how it is. It's quite thick, soft, and it does moisturise. So guys, these are all the products I have received this month, and it brings me to the end of my Glossybox unboxing. I did read on the website that the box is worth over £63. Now I'm just going to do a quick calculation, and I come to a sum of £74.21, so yes, it is definitely worth over £63. Oh, I almost forgot to mention I did also receive these. This is a Dairy Milk fruitier and nuttier trail mix, so these are nuts just coated in chocolate, which I do look forward to snacking later on. So that is it from me. If there are any further reviews you want on any of the projects that I've received, I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys found this useful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And thank you so much for all your support so far. It absolutely means a lot to me. So take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!